Hello friends, this is Shalu Pal. Welcome to my Learn by Watch Career YouTube channel. Today in this video, we will learn about top 10 communication skills required for workplace. Workplace communication is totally different from college communication. In a classroom, teacher gives you assignment or homework and students submit it or ask questions in response to a teacher. But the format of interaction varies in the workplace. Your boss may assign you some urgent work or ask you for your opinion in writing. The challenge of communicating in the workplace is learning how and when to share your ideas. Let's see, what are communication skills? Communication skills are the ability to interact with others. It involves sharing of information, thoughts, ideas, and feelings. The ability to communicate effectively with superiors, colleagues, and staff is essential no matter where you work. So now we will see top 10 communication skills required for workplace. First is listening, second is verbal communication, third is non-verbal communication, fourth is clarity, fifth is friendliness, sixth is confidence, seventh is written communication, eighth is open-mindedness, ninth is respect, and 10th is feedback. We will see one by one. First is listening. Being a good listener is one of the best ways to be a good communicator. No one likes communicating with someone who only cares about his thoughts. Practice active listening. Active listening means paying close attention to what the other person is saying, asking questions and respond appropriately. Second is verbal communication. Verbal communication means sharing information between individuals by using words. You can share any information, feelings, thoughts, and memories. Various channels for verbal communication are face-to-face interaction, video chat, talk on mobile or telephone, give a speech, send voicemail, give lecture, or send email or write a letter. All these are different forms of verbal communication. Third is non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication means sharing of information by using expressions or actions. It is the process of sending and receiving messages without using words. Your body language, your facial expressions, eye contact, hand gestures, and postures deliver the message you are trying to convey. A relaxed body posture with arms open and legs relaxed and a friendly tone will make you appear more approachable and will encourage others to speak openly with you. Eye contact is also important. You want to look the person in the eye to show that you are focused on the person and the conversation. Also pay attention to other people's non-verbal signals while you are talking. Often non-verbal signals convey how the person is really feeling. For example, if the person is not looking you in the eye, he or she might be uncomfortable or hiding the truth. Fourth is clarity. Good communication means to convey your message in as few words as possible. Say what you want clearly and directly, whether you are speaking to someone in person, on the phone, or via email. Think about what you want to say before you say it. This will help you to avoid talking excessively or confusing your audience. Fifth is friendliness. Through a friendly tone, a personal question, or simply a smile, you will encourage your co-workers to engage in open and honest communication with you. It is important to be nice and polite in all your workplace communications. This is important in both face-to-face and written communication. Sixth is confidence. It is important to be confident in all of your interaction with others. Confidence ensures your co-workers that you believe in them and will follow through with what you are saying. Showing confidence can be as simple as making eye contact or using a friendly tone. Be careful for your tone. Try not to sound arrogant or aggressive. Be sure that you should look confident and energetic professional. Seventh is written communication. Written communication involves any type of interaction that makes use of the written word. Writing skills are an important part of communication. Good writing skills allow you to communicate your message with clarity and ease to a far larger audience than through face-to-face or telephonic conversations. The demand for competent writing skills is in need of this ever-increasing use of computers and computer networks. Written communication is the most common form of business communication. It is essential for all business owners and managers to develop effective written communication skills and to encourage the same in all employees. Eighth is open-mindedness. A good communicator should enter any conversation with a flexible and open mind. Be open to listening and understanding the other person's point of view rather than simply getting your point of view. Willing to enter into a dialogue even with people with whom you disagree, you will be able to have more honest and productive conversations. Ninth is respect. People will be more open to communicating with you if you show respect for them and their ideas. Simple actions like using a person's name, making eye contact, and actively listening when a person speaks will make the person feel appreciated. On the phone, avoid distractions and stay focused on the conversation. Even when you disagree with an employer, coworker, or employee, it is important for you to understand and respect their point of view. 10th and last communication skill is feedback. Being able to appropriately give and receive feedback is an important communication skill. Managers and supervisors should continuously look for ways to provide employees with constructive feedback, be it through email, phone calls, or weekly status updates. Giving feedback involves giving praise as well. Something as simple as saying "good job" or "thanks for taking care of that" to an employee can greatly increase motivation. Similarly, you should be able to accept and even encourage feedback from others. Listen to the feedback you are given. Ask clarifying questions if you are unsure. Also make efforts to implement the feedback. So this is all about top 10 communication skills from my side. Thank you for watching this video. I'll make many more videos for communication skills. It will be coming soon on my channel. Please keep watching it, subscribe it, and share with your friends. Thank you.